next topic is we will build the DynamoDB, right? So what we will do, we'll just click here, go here, search for DynamoDB, right? Click on DynamoDB. Right here, click on tables, create new table. So here I have already created it. I'll just show you, right? Let me delete it actually. Let me delete it and show you again. I think here also I will delete it because I have already deleted it. Let me create table here. I'll name the table as what? Employee image table, right? Then I will mention the partition key as what? Employee ID, right? Partition key should be employee ID, right? And then employee image table, partition is done. So let's create table. So my DynamoDB is also ready. It is also getting created, right? My this is ready. My this is ready. Buckets are also ready, right? This is ready. Database is ready. DynamoDB. Now next topic is create a load balancer, right? Now everything will do. Error? Yeah, then I think we need to check that. Yeah. Okay. But ideally, if you have done everything, whatever I am telling you, it should work fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So here, now let's do one more thing. So let's create a load balancer, right? Application load balancer. And here what we will do, we'll just write what? ALB project load balancer. Just like this, okay? After that, this is internet facing, this is IPv4, this is fine. VPC should be your VPC, industry level project, right? And then tick on this too, right? Here the security group should be your security group as well. So I already tick, go down here. Now here I refresh it. I do not have a target group. I'll create a target group, right? So I'll go here, instances, create a target group as, suppose my target group is AWS industry project TGT, right? Then what we will do, select a project VPC, TCP, IPv4, HTTP1, project VPC, right? Protocol version should be this. Next. Nothing for now. Next. Here what we will do, we'll select both the public ones. Okay. Include public ones are done. Create target group. Now my target group is also ready, right? So I'll refresh it. And I will see this industry level project here. So meanwhile, I'll also check if my database is ready. My database is also ready. My DynamoDB is also ready. My target group, I'm just doing it. So after that, I will not do anything. I will just do a create load balancer. Right, my load balancer is also active, right? Now the next topic that we have is we'll create a route 53 for assigning of our domain. We are almost done with our work, right? But we also need a load balancer. Now one thing to note here is route 53 is chargeable, right? The route 53 are always chargeable, right? So what we will do, we will try to use some free websites which can help us get the free domains. Okay, we'll see. Anyway, it's difficult to get it, but we'll see. Right. So before we do anything, right? Uh, let's do one more thing. Let's go to hosted zone, right? And let's create a brand new hosted zone first. Already we have it. What I will do is I'll delete it. Okay, I think it is not allowing. That's fine. Let it be. We'll create a new one. So hosted zone, right? What we will do, we'll name it as a domain name. We'll just keep it as a Saurav employee mgmt.zz. Okay. Then what we will do, we'll go down public hosted zone. So this is ready. Just given a random domain. Just copy this and keep it in a notepad for further use. We're creating a hosted zone. Right. So my hosted zone is ready. Right. Along with the hosted zone, always two records are created. Right. Now what we will do, we'll click on create record. We'll create a record. Right. What we will do, we'll turn on this alias. And what we will do, we'll select the endpoint as load balancer. Region should be which region I'm connected the EC2 machines. That should be my region. That should be Mumbai. So region should be my Asia Pacific. This is my region. Right. My load balancer should be why I'm seeing two load balancer, because one I have created before and one I have created later. Let's see what I have created later right now. Right. So ALB project LB that I have created right. So ALB project LB. Let's select this. Right. Then this is good. Create records. Okay. So my record is also ready now. Right. All the records are ready. Right now we can, what we can do, if we want to buy any kind of free norm account, so we can go to free norm. There is a website known as free norm which gives us free domains, right? But right now it's not working. We won't be able to take it anything, so it's really difficult right now to get free websites, so we'll not do this. But in case you get it, you have to include this 4 name servers here and you will get the domain. Okay, now this is ready. Now my route 53 is also ready. Right, my next is I'll create some IAM rules. So I'll double click here, duplicate, close this, not needed for now. Right. Okay, so what I will do, I'll search for IAM. I'll just click on IAM. Right. Sorry guys, I'm having my little bit of snacks. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll go to roles. Right. And what we will do, we'll try to create a role. AWS service is fine. We'll select EC2. We'll go down. Next. Here we will have to select 3 things. AWS S3 full access. S3 full access. Right. Then there is a DynamoDB full access, right? And then there's one more, that is RDS full access, right? Give this 3 access to it. We should be showing 3:990. Click on next, right? Role name should be mine. Let's give the role name as role for industry project. Okay, it's fine. Create rule. So create role. My role is created. Now go back to your EC2 machines and we have to assign roles now, right? What we will do, we'll select the private one. We'll go to actions, to instance settings. We'll go to security. We want to modify IAM roles, right? And then we will select the role. Let's see. One more should be loading here. This one, right? Whatever we created, we wanna. So if I see, should be able to see now, right? Security. So it's create out for me right now, right? Okay, this is fine. So roles also I have created, right? Now we will try to establish the SQL connection. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll go back to SSH. Instances list. Where is the instances list? Try to SSH into the public IP. Let's see. Taking some time to load. If I just do a public 001 EC2, we do a connect. Come on, yeah. Just select this. Click on connect. Connect. Let's type here. SU, right? PDI1 get update. Sudo. Sudo apt install mysql client, right? Installing, yes. Installing. Meanwhile, I'll go to my database list, go to here, and I'll copy the RDS of it, which is this. Right, this is done. Now I'll type what? MySQL space -h, paste the IP, right? And then I will type what? -u admin space -p. We'll log in, right? We'll enter the password, right? So we are there, right? Now let's do. I already have got it a command ready for you for not to waste our time, right? So what I will do, I'll just run that command. It's very easy. Plus we are creating a new database. Okay. So I'll just do a show databases first to see how many databases are there. One thing to note, project DB is there. So we'll go inside project DB, right? The database is changed. Now we'll paste the employee command, right? So this is also run, right? Now we will do a, now we'll do a, so this is done. Now we'll do a describe place employee, right? So it's showing that it is there. Now we'll insert one record, right? What we will do, we'll try to paste it. My bad. Not pasted it, I think. Paste. Array. Just a minute, hold on. I'll just copy it, go ahead, right click, paste, enter. So one row inserted. Now select star from employee, right? So it is showing one row, right? Everyone understood till here? Now we will exit it. Now we'll install git here. Sudo apt install git. Install spelling is galat. So we'll see if git is being installed, right? Okay, right? And then git is installed, right? And then what we will do, I have got another git repository ready for you, just not to waste our time. So we'll just copy it, right? We'll go back. So git will clone this repository, right click. We'll go here, we'll copy it, we'll right click and we will paste it, right? So this is about to be cloned. This is my repository. Now I'll type ls, I'll do cd, इसके अंदर जाऊंगा, I'll go inside this, copy, paste, enter. I've gone inside it. Now let's type ls again, right? Then I will open what? This config.py, right? So here we will write one by one, right? My endpoint is what? My endpoint is what? My endpoint is this, right? I will try to paste, right? So this is my endpoint. Now my username is what? Admin. Admin. Now my, come on. So my password was what? Password, right? My DB name was what? Project DB. Remember we did everything in Project DB, right? My bucket was what? Copy the bucket name. What was my bucket? Copy. So what I will do? I'll copy this. Right? Oh, no. Copy. This is my bucket name. My region was what? AP-South-01, right? Because that was the region of Mumbai, right? P-South-1. Just to double check, we'll double check it. Come on. Where is the Mumbai? This is taking so much time. So AP-South-1. The same we will put here as well. AP-South-1, right? Understood, everyone? So everything is done. Database is done. Admin, password, project DB. This is done. This is done. Now Control X, Shift Y, Enter. Shift Y, Enter. Shift Y, Enter. Okay, so this is saved now, right? If I want to recheck it, come on. Config.py. Open it. This is good, right? Control X, right? So this is ready, right? Now we will write a final command, nano emp.py, right? Emp app actually, right? The one which is there, right? Not nano actually. We will do what? We will install actually some commands actually, right? So I have kept everything ready just for us to save time, right? So we'll install them one by one, right? So what we will do, we'll run them. Control C, paste. Okay, my bad. So we have to go out, come outside the folder. Oh, why are you using apt hyphen get space install? It is getting installed, and similarly here as well, paste sudo python 3, actually not this one. I should be having installing sudo apt hyphen get hyphen install python hyphen flask. If flask we will install, then python 3 actually, right? Why? Take some time to install. Then instead of flask, what we will install? We'll install pymysql, right? Instead of pymysql, what will install? Boto 3. Okay. Sudo python 3 emp.py. Okay. Okay, my bad. So you have to go inside the ls, right? Yeah. What the hell? Damn. Let me write it. Okay. Now we are here. Now we can ls2 and we can run it. Sudo python 3 emp.app.py. Okay. So debugger is running now. Give it some time. I'm getting a ping now. I'll go to my load balancer. Copy the DNS name. I'll go here. Take some time because it has been recently launched. So if it is taking time, what you can do, and go to a public EC2, copy this as well. So you see this is there, right? 402. Suppose if I add any employee, suppose if I add what? Yes, right? Suppose if I add Saurabh Gupta, Dev, AWS, right? Bangalore. If I browse any image, let's suppose if I browse any image, browse this image, update database. As soon as I click here, update database, you go here, you go to here, you see there is a data inserted in MySQL RDS. Can you see? Yeah. So Control C, enter. So now let's log in back. Let's come out of the folder. So with the thing, yeah, this is the one, right? Now select use project DB, select star from you see how they have been inserted 2 times because they pressed update on the database, right? Everyone understood? We created an end-to-end project where we created a web page and we connected that to the Amazon RDS. We used all the services. Now, if you have, suppose if you would have the free domain names as well, right? What you can do, you can tie that domain name to a Route 53, and you can, instead of what? Instead of this IP, you can just directly pass that domain name, right? And you will be able to get it.